Unlocking the secrets of hoping for success. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you've probably heard or used yourself, hoping for success. It's a phrase that carries a lot of weight and optimism. And by the end of this video, you'll understand not just its literal meaning but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind hoping for success. First, let's break down the phrase, hoping for success, into two parts. The word, hoping, comes from the verb, hope, which means to desire something with an expectation or belief in the possibility of its attainment. Success, on the other hand, refers to the achievement of a goal, aim, or purpose. When we put these two together, hoping for success essentially means wishing or desiring for positive outcomes or achievements in any endeavor. This phrase can be used in a variety of contexts, from personal ambitions to professional goals. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. Before a job interview, I'm really hoping for success in this interview. It's my dream job. When starting a new business, we are launching our startup next month and are hoping for success. In educational settings, with my final exams coming up, I'm hoping for success. Remember, hoping for success is a versatile phrase that can be adapted to fit many situations where there is a desire for a positive outcome. Beyond its literal meaning, hoping for success conveys a mindset of optimism and determination. It reflects an individual's or group's positive attitude towards facing challenges and achieving goals. This phrase is powerful because it encapsulates the human spirit's resilience and hope, making it more than just a string of words but a reflection of our innate desire to succeed. And there you have it, hoping for success, demystified. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this common yet profound phrase and inspired you to use it with more confidence in your daily life. Remember, success starts with hope and a belief in the possibility of achieving your dreams. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hope for success in all your endeavors. See you in the next video.